October the 9th. The Lord longs to be gracious to you. He rises to show you compassion. Isaiah chapter 30 verse 18. The greenest grass is found wherever the most rain falls. So I suppose it is the fog and mist of Ireland that makes it the Emerald Isle. And wherever you find the widespread fog of trouble and the mist of sorrow, you always find emerald green hearts that are full of the beautiful foliage of the comfort and love of God. Dear Christian, do not say, "Where are all the swallows? They are all gone. They are dead." No, they are not dead. They have simply skimmed across the deep blue sea, flying to a faraway land. But they will be back again soon. Child of God, do not say, "All the flowers are dead. The winter has killed them, so they are gone." No. Although the winter has covered them with a white coat of snow, they will push up their heads again and will be alive very soon. O believer, do not say that the sun has burned out just because a cloud has hidden it. No, it is still there, planning a summer for you. And when it shines again, it will have caused those clouds to have dropped their April showers, each of them a mother to a sweet Mayflower. Above all, remember, when God hides his face from you, do not say that he has forgotten you. He is simply waiting for a little while to make you love him more. And once he comes, you will rejoice with the inexpressible joy of the Lord. Nehemiah chapter 8 verse 10. Waiting on him exercises your gift of grace and tests your faith. Therefore, continue to wait in hope, for although the promise may linger, it will never come too late. Charles H. Spurgeon. Oh, every year has its winter, and every year has its rain. But a day is always coming when the birds go north again, when new leaves sprout in the forest, and grass springs green on the plain, and tulips boast their blossoms, and the birds go north again. Oh, every heart has its sorrow, and every heart has its pain. But a day is always coming when the birds go north again. It's the sweetest thing to remember. If your courage starts to wane, when the cold, dark days are over, that the birds go north again.